Our planet holds countless secrets, waiting patiently beneath our feet, hidden in the silent embrace of stone and earth. Buried deep within its layers of rock and time, these secrets are fragments of a world long vanished, preserved for millions of years. Each fossil is a word from a long-lost story, connecting us to a world ruled by giants and teeming with extraordinary creatures. The search for these ancient remains is a journey into the unknown, piecing together the grand tapestry of life on Earth, one discovery at a time. Sometimes a discovery forces us to rethink what we thought we knew, a skeleton so strange it rewrites the story, challenging our understanding of evolution and adaptation. These moments remind us the book of life is far from finished. Every new find is a fresh chapter, a puzzle piece that brings us closer to the truth. The Isle of Wight, off England's southern coast, is a treasure trove for such discoveries, drawing scientists and enthusiasts from around the world. Its crumbling cliffs and beaches reveal the remains of dinosaurs that walked there over 125 million years ago, offering a rare glimpse into prehistoric ecosystems. Fossil hunters, both amateur and professional, have found armored dinosaurs, long-necked giants, and fearsome predators, each find adding to the island's legacy. A walk along the beach can turn into a step back into the Mesozoic era, where every stone might hide a piece of ancient history. With each tide, new fossils are exposed, offering fresh clues about the diversity of life during the age of dinosaurs and the ever-changing nature of our planet. The excitement lies not just in finding a bone, but in understanding the life it once supported, imagining its struggles, triumphs, and place in the ancient world. It's about breathing life back into ancient skeletons, reconstructing their stories and imagining the vibrant world they once inhabited. This sense of wonder drives us to keep searching, digging, and learning, reminding us that the adventure of discovery is truly endless. The Isle of Wight is called Dinosaur Island for good reason. Its rocks are a rich library of the early Cretaceous. As the coastline erodes, fossils are revealed once more. Local collector Nick Chase, driven by passion, made a series of remarkable finds. He discovered vertebrae unlike any he'd seen before, tall bones from a large plant eater. Chase donated these bones to the Dinosaur Isle Museum, where they joined a collection puzzling scientists. The bones didn't match any known species, waiting for the right team to solve the mystery. That team came from the University of Southampton. Paleontologists compared the bones with fossils from around the world, noting unique features. It soon became clear, these bones belonged to a creature entirely new to science. Hidden for over 125 million years, its story was finally ready to be told. A new chapter in dinosaur history was about to begin. After years of careful study and meticulous examination of ancient bones, scientists made an exciting announcement: the discovery of a brand new dinosaur species, Istiorachis macarthurae. This remarkable find was the result of dedicated research and collaboration among paleontologists, fossil hunters, and local enthusiasts. The name Istiorachis means sail spine, a direct reference to the dinosaur's most striking and unusual feature, a tall, sail-like structure running along its back, unlike anything seen in its close relatives. The second part of its name, macarthurae, pays tribute to Carrie MacArthur, a passionate local fossil enthusiast whose keen eye led to the discovery of key bones that made this identification possible. Naming a species after someone is a lasting tribute in the scientific world, forever linking the dinosaur to both its place of discovery and the people who helped bring it to light. It's a way of honoring the contributions of those who make these discoveries possible. Istiorachis belonged to the iguanodontians, a group of large, plant-eating dinosaurs well known for their distinctive thumb spikes, which they may have used for defense or foraging. But Istiorachis was a very distinct cousin within this family, with a unique backbone and sail that set it apart from other iguanodontians and hinted at a different way of life. The discovery of Istiorachis revealed that the iguanodontian family tree was far more diverse and complex than scientists had previously imagined, opening up new possibilities for research. Announcing a new dinosaur is always a thrilling moment for the scientific community. It adds a new face to the prehistoric world and inspires fresh questions about evolution and adaptation. For the Isle of Wight, already famous for its rich fossil beds, this discovery was another jewel in its paleontological crown, drawing attention from around the world. Istiorachis was not just another iguanodontian, it was a sailback giant, a creature that would have stood out in its ancient landscape. This extraordinary sail feature opened up fascinating new questions for scientists. Why did Istiorachis have such a dramatic structure? Was it for display, temperature regulation, or something else entirely? The discovery of Istiorachis macarthurae marks just the beginning of a new chapter in scientific investigation, promising many more exciting insights into the lives of dinosaurs and the world they inhabited. The most incredible feature of Istiorachis macarthurae is its sail. Skin stretched over tall neural spines, creating a striking silhouette unlike anything else in its environment. This sail was not just a simple ridge, but a dramatic, eye-catching structure that would have made Istiorachis instantly recognizable among the ancient creatures of its time. Some of these spines reached over half a meter in height, towering above the animal's back and forming a dramatic fin that ran the length of its body. The sheer size and shape of these spines suggests they played a significant role in the dinosaur's life. Imagine this remarkable creature moving through ancient forests, its sail rising high above the greenery, catching the light, and perhaps even casting shadows on the forest floor. It would have been a truly spectacular sight, standing out among the dense foliage and other dinosaurs. This impressive structure is similar in appearance to the sail of Spinosaurus, another famous sailback dinosaur, though the two weren't closely related. Their similarities are a fascinating example of how evolution can arrive at similar solutions in different lineages. Large sails like these evolved independently in several dinosaur groups, a phenomenon known as convergent evolution. This means that, even though these dinosaurs were not direct relatives, they developed similar features to adapt to their environments. The sail would have been covered in skin, and it's possible it was brightly colored or patterned, making it even more visually striking. Such colors and patterns could have served many purposes, from attracting mates to warning rivals. In nature, features like these are often used for display. Think of a peacock's tail or the frills of a lizard. The sail might have helped Istiorachis communicate, intimidate, or attract attention in its prehistoric world. The discovery of these elongated spines was the key to identifying Istiorachis as a completely new species, setting it apart from all other known dinosaurs. No other iguanodontian dinosaur had anything so dramatic or unusual on its back, making Istiorachis a true outlier among its relatives. It was as if we'd only ever known horses, and then suddenly discovered a unicorn, something so unexpected it changed our entire perspective. This sailback giant adds a whole new dimension to our understanding of plant-eating dinosaurs, showing that even herbivores could be spectacularly adorned. Even within familiar groups, evolution produced spectacular surprises, reminding us that prehistoric life was far more diverse and inventive than we often imagine. Istiorachis shows just how unexpected and creative dinosaur evolution could be, leaving us to wonder what other surprises might still be waiting to be discovered. Istiorachis macarthurae was about 8 meters long, roughly the length of a double-decker bus. It stood around 3 meters high at the hips, not counting its sail, and weighed about 3 tons. Its bulk was concentrated in strong hind legs and a muscular tail for balance. It likely walked on all fours when grazing but could rear up to reach higher plants. Despite its size, Istiorachis was a gentle herbivore, not a predator. Its teeth were designed for slicing tough vegetation, not for tearing flesh. Size was its main defense. Few predators would risk attacking such a massive animal. Understanding its size helps us imagine its daily life, how much it ate, how it moved, and how it fit into its world. Istiorachis was a living mountain of muscle and bone, crowned with its mysterious sail. It was a successful design, thriving for millions of years, a true gentle giant of the Cretaceous. Istiorachis macarthurae lived about 127 million years ago, in a warm, subtropical world. The landscape was dominated by floodplains and meandering rivers, covered in lush vegetation. Its diet consisted of ferns, cycads, and conifers, tough plants requiring a large body and long digestive tract. Istiorachis spent most of its time eating, equipped with a beak for cropping and rows of teeth for grinding. Its teeth were constantly replaced, ensuring it could handle its tough diet. It likely browsed at different heights, sometimes standing on 2 legs to reach higher branches. Istiorachis shared its world with other plant eaters like Polacanthus and Mantellosaurus, and predators like Baryonyx. The discovery of Istiorachis reveals a more varied community of herbivores than we knew. Different species likely specialized in different plants or habitats, allowing them to coexist. Each new find adds another player to this ancient ecosystem. Istiorachis helps us see just how rich and complex its world was. Why did Istiorachis have such a prominent sail? One leading idea is display. In the animal kingdom, visual signals are crucial for communication, especially in courtship and social status. The sail could have been a billboard, advertising health and strength to potential mates. Like a peacock's tail or a lizard's crest, it may have attracted partners or intimidated rivals. The sail might also have helped with species recognition, distinguishing Istiorachis from its iguanodontian cousins. In a crowded landscape, a unique sail would help individuals find their own kind and form herds. It was like a family crest, a clear signal. I am an Istiorachis. While we can't be certain, the idea of the sail as a social and display structure is compelling. It paints a vivid picture of the complex social lives of these ancient animals. The sail of Istiorachis may have served multiple functions. One idea is thermoregulation, absorbing or releasing heat, but evidence for this is mixed. Another theory, the tall spine supported massive back muscles, giving the dinosaur extra strength and stability. The sail might also have stored fat, like a camel's hump, providing energy during lean times. Nature often creates features that serve more than one purpose. The sail was likely a multi-purpose structure display, muscle attachment, maybe some temperature control or fat storage. Evolution is efficient. Features often do double duty. Whatever its main function, the sail made Istiorachis stand out in its world. It's a reminder that even familiar dinosaurs could evolve in unexpected ways. The discovery of Istiorachis macarthurae is a powerful reminder of why we study the past. Each new species adds a vital piece to the puzzle of prehistoric life. A sail-backed iguanodontian on the Isle of Wight shows the dinosaur family tree was more complex than we imagined. This discovery highlights the importance of local collectors and regional museums. The story began on a beach, with passionate individuals collaborating with scientists. Every fossil, no matter how small, can rewrite a chapter of our planet's history. Istiorachis reminds us how much we still have to learn, what else is waiting to be found. The search continues, driven by curiosity and wonder. Each discovery connects us to a deep time almost beyond comprehension. The next amazing chapter could be unearthed tomorrow.